and welcome to Hosting with Susanna, where I help you create beautiful parties and fun gatherings to bring people together. Today we're making my Technically a Virgin lemon tea snap punch. This is a really great mocktail if you're doing my Totally Buggin Party, which is a clueless parody fan-inspired party based on the movie. So the inspiration for this cocktail was when Cher and Dion run up to Mr. Hall and they're trying to come up with an idea to get him and Mrs. Geist together. So they're like, hey, Mr. Hall, I totally forgot my lemon snapple. I gave it to my dad by mistake and I took his Italian roast. So I was thinking maybe you and Miss Geist would like to share it. And so that is the inspiration for this, because we have a lemon tea snapple. You could use any type of lemon tea. I'm using Snapple since that's what they drink in the movie. And it's a fun little mocktail to have for any of your guests who don't want a cocktail. So here's what you're gonna need to get started. 8 cups of a lemon tea. I'm obviously using Snapple, as I mentioned earlier. 4 cups of ginger ale. 1 cup of cardamom simple syrup, and 1 pint of a lemon sorbet. So let's get started. I like to serve this in a big bowl so that since it's a punch and it has a sorbet in it, so people can just scoop it out with a ladle. You could also put this in a drink dispenser, whatever works best for you. 4 cups of ginger ale, and 1 cup of cardamom simple syrup. And then you'll just top it off with your lemon sorbet. And now let's just give it a nice little stir gently so that you don't interrupt the little drops of sorbet very much, but just so you can get everything well combined together. And there you have it, my Technically a Virgin lemon tea snap punch. I hope you and your friends enjoy this delicious mocktail. And if you want the recipe for my cardamom simple syrup, stay tuned. It'll be coming up next. That is so refreshing. So if you just got done watching my whatever we've got Coke here cocktail or Technically a Virgin lemon tea snap punch mocktail, then you'll know that both of these recipes call for my cardamom simple syrup. So here's the recipe for that. This is going to make approximately 2 cups, which is enough for both the cocktail and the mocktail. So here's what you'll need. You'll need 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/3 cup of brown sugar packed, 1 1/3 cups of water, 2 teaspoons of ground cardamom, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. So we'll start out by getting a saucepan, and we're gonna fill this with the 1 1/3 cups of water. And then we'll go ahead and add our 1 cup of sugar, our 1/3 cup of packed brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of ground cardamom,
and 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon.
Now we'll heat this up over a medium heat until all of our sugar is dissolved, stirring it as we go. It smells so good. You can smell all of those rich spices, the cardamom, the cinnamon. It smells amazing. Okay, it looks good now. All of our sugar is dissolved. We're ready to take it off of the heat. Okay, now that we have it off the heat, we're gonna let it steep for anywhere from 15 minutes to half an hour, depending on your flavor profile that you want. So if you don't want it too strong, go ahead and pull it at that 15-minute mark. If you want the full flavor profile, keep it steeping for half an hour. The reason why we're steeping this is because we're gonna strain out all of the cardamom and cinnamon. So right now, we're really just getting those flavors into our simple syrup. Okay, our cardamom simple syrup is done steeping. We're ready to go ahead and strain it. You'll want to get a glass jar that's airtight for this. I'm using a mason jar because I just find it to be the most convenient. And then you'll want to get a funnel that has a mesh strainer with it, a really fine mesh strainer. Or if you don't have a mesh strainer that fits with a funnel, you can go ahead and use a coffee filter as well. That could work. Okay, and now just go ahead and pour it in. Okay, and there we have it, our cardamom simple syrup to complete your whatever we've got Coke your cocktail and our technically a virgin lemon tea snap punch mocktail. I'll see you next time.